did.
Yeah, I did.
That time to Corey Davis. A little bit late on that. And Bryce
Ito
Callahan
gusto,
got his right hand on that ball to put it incomplete.
ito sa tibubuong tayo sila.
And it brings up a third down and 6. Bryce Callahan been such a good player.
Sa kokay ko. Ito tong teke. Hindi yan din. Sa taas ng pong.
Mình trông chặt chẽ nhá.
Tong pong. Ko din pa tayo.
Ba. Lagi nó nằm.
That's a big dog. That's fluffy. I know. Fluffy.
Oh, ito ulit.
Tani nó sẽ
Kaya ko ako yan.
Tani cho bốc. Tem đầy. Cái này thay rồi, thay được đòn.
Hey, give me water.
Take that one.
Not water. Really?
Oh, I think bụng chứ nào.
No, there's another one in the cooler. Alex, take the one in the cooler.